My new glasses just came in. These are from Fytoo, and in this video I wanted to just unbox them, try them on, and tell you what I think about them to hopefully give you a better idea if this is something you'd like to get. And if you are interested in them, I'll put a link in the description below for you to learn more about them. So let's do it. Dude, my current glasses right now are filthy. It's always good getting new glasses, so I'm excited. I got 4 pairs from them, and I'll look up my order on here so I can tell you exactly what they are. But gives you a ruler if you need to measure your pupil distance.
Popping bottles nightly.
Cleaning cloth, coupon, a little bit about them, and the glasses. What's up? The first pair. Ooh, mama. So this one is called Uriah, and I got it in the color brown. Nice little plastic wrap, that way it keeps them a little bit cleaner. That's nice. Ooh, I feel like these almost have just a slight tint to them, and I can't remember if I got like a UV blocking light. Oh, I did. I got blue light blocking glasses. I couldn't remember if I did or not. It's been a little bit since I ordered them. But yeah, so they're slightly look a little bit tinted yellow, but very subtle, like the very subtlest amount that they could be. I'll have to like go look at everything in the mirror and then like come back and tell you what I think about them. So I'll do that. One thing I did notice when I was browsing their website looking for different glasses is most of their selections seem to be a little bit more bold or charismatic. So that's kind of just my opinion. Maybe you let me know if you go on their website what you think of them. I kind of went for a few more subtle option, not so bold, but I still think these are very stylistic, so I don't know. Let me know what you think. The next pair. So these are glasses that also come with the sunglasses magnet that sticks on the front of them. I really wanted to try out a pair of glasses like these. When I ordered them, I had a warning pop up that said my prescription is a little bit too intense for magnetic glasses like these because they're a little bit too curved for the glasses, so they might not stick the best on them for these attachment ones. I decided to get them anyways because I really wanted sunglasses for this summer. So, and I just like the option that you can take them off if you go indoors as well. I didn't want to just bring 2 separate glasses with me, so that's what these are. Dude, these actually look really nice. I've always been a little bit skeptical about getting these magnetic style glasses because most other brands that I've seen kind of look a little bit frumpy or gimmicky or just not that cool, but these look nice. I mean, they honestly don't even look like magnetic things. They're very thin, they're still very lightweight, so it's not bulky or too cumbersome. So this is kind of cool. Boom, there we go. They look nice. I like them. I mean, they work really well. These are tinted nicely. They have magnets on them. They look like they have magnets here too. Oh, look at that. Oh, I don't know that I would ever wear them like this, but that's kind of cool. So you can flip them down, boom, and then if you're like, hey, we're in party mode, flip them up. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. The one thing I do notice about them is I think because I had that warning where my prescription is a little bit too much for these types of glasses, at the very bottom of them, they don't touch. There's like a small gap, and I can show you it maybe later with some B-roll or something, but there's like a small gap here, and so I can kind of see the crease of light right there, if that makes any sense. If they put one more magnet down here, I think it would be perfect. Then they would be like awesome, but they only have magnets on the top here, so that could be one improvement with these glasses specifically, but I like them. I just wanted something for the summer, something easy to wear, and I think these are it. This black one is called Jode, and then this one is called Sebastian, and I got this one in the color brown. I got the Jode one in the color black, so let me get a better look at these. Dude, I better just take them off. See, look at that, boom, take them fully off. But then if I want to, I can just pop these bad boys on. These look nice. I love the gradient and I love the brown versus just the black sunglasses. The black are definitely more block out the light type of sunglasses, but these I feel like just look a little bit cooler. To be completely honest, these might look a little bit feminine. I honestly think they might be a little bit more feminine looking, but I still just wanted some sunglasses for the summer. If I don't love them, then I'm still gonna wear them in my car all the time when I drive. So I'm still gonna use these all the time, even if they are a little bit more feminine. But I don't know, maybe they look cool. Let me know what you think. Oh, what's up? How does it look? Oh, these do not flip up the same way. I thought they were the same kind of flip up style, but they're not. This one has a little latch to latch on the top of your glasses, and then it has two magnets on the side. So a little bit different mechanism. These ones are definitely on a lot more snug than the other ones. Like I mentioned before, there's a little lip on the bottom of these that kind of just doesn't adhere to the glasses fully, where these ones I feel like are fully touching the glasses all the way around. So this is a way better fit for me because my prescription is a little bit more significant. So these ones seem to be doing good. The last pair of glasses are, I don't know, Craig or Craigie, something like that. I got it in tortoiseshell. That is the color I got these in. These are more subtle on the design and the flare and stuff. I really like them though. They're very unique. I haven't seen much glasses like them. They're very lightweight. These ones are, holy smokes. The metal is very thin as well. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's very thin. Oh wow, these are extremely lightweight. I don't know. What do you think? Do I look cooler now? Maybe. I think I'm so used to wearing glasses that sit directly on my nose like these ones that when they're sticking slightly away from me, they just feel a little bit differently. Like I kind of want to push them in close to my face because I'm used to wearing these other kinds of glasses. But other than that, I think I just need to wear them for a little bit to get used to them. Okay, I've had a chance to try all of them on. These are my thoughts. So this pair right here, they feel a little more sophisticated, like I should be dressed up when I wear them. So I think if I'm going out somewhere formal, somewhere where I'm in more business casual attire, I'll probably wear these. These ones might be my favorite pair. I really like the sunglasses on them, and I even like them without the sunglasses off of them. I think they're still really nice. They're a very simple style, but I just enjoy them. The only thing, like I mentioned before, I wish they had some sort of little magnet that just stuck the bottoms of them together. So that would be one small improvement to this glasses specifically, but these are probably my favorite pair. Then these ones, to be honest, they do look slightly feminine. I think depending on what I wear could make them look normal or just fine. I think the one reason they feel a little bit more feminine to me is the color choice. Maybe if I picked a different color, I think they would look a little bit more manly. And the reason I say that is because I feel like this brown color is very light brown, so it's almost like a peach color. So I think that's kind of why I feel that way about these glasses, but I definitely like the style and the look of them, and I really like the gradient sunglasses. I personally probably like the gradient sunglasses more than just the straight blackout look. So that is one thing that I do enjoy about these, but I still like them and they fit really comfortably and nice. And that's for this last pair. They're nice. They're a little bit thicker of a frame than I'm used to, but they were fine. They fit comfortably and they're just a little bit different of a style. But there it is. That's what I think about them. Now, as far as the pricing goes, all of the glasses are anywhere from $20 to $30 for the glasses, but depending on your prescription and the lenses that you get, all of the glasses that I got ended up costing around $70 to $80, which I feel like is very reasonable, especially compared to like when you go to the actual eye doctor. Those glasses are so dang expensive, and even if you have insurance like I do, I have eye or vision insurance, and it was still very expensive to even get glasses from the eye doctor. So these are definitely way better than that in my opinion. I would rather just pick up a pair of these any day of the week because they're way more affordable, and they give you a ton of cool options, and they all look really nice. So there it is. Again, I'll put a link in the description below if you want to check them out or learn more about this brand. And thanks for watching. Hopefully this gave you a little bit more insight about these glasses.